Hello viewers, in this video let us learn how to use the useState hook in React component. So open the folder in the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So in the src folder, create a new file by name handle state.jsx. Okay. Now instead of using the RFCE arrow component, use the RFCE React functional component export snippet. Okay. So this will create a functional component with the same handle state. Okay. Now here we will use a button. Okay. So button will be created. Okay. Now we will create a state variable const with the state variable name as count, comma, and a method to handle the state variable. Let it be set count. Okay. Now we will give an initial value. For this we will use the hook useState. Okay. In the brackets give the initial value, let the initial value be 0. Okay. So 0 is the value of the state variable count, and set count is a method to set the state variable count. Okay. Now first we will display the state variable count is within the braces type count. Okay. Now for the time being save this one. Okay. Now go to app.jsx, delete this one. Okay. Within the div, import the component handle state tag. So the component is mounted. So you can see the import statement here. Okay. Now save the file. Let us start the server. Server is already started. So go to the browser. So you can see count is 0. So the initial value of the state variable count is 0. Now we will increment the count whenever the button is clicked. Okay. Okay. Now when I click this button, I will on click event will be handle on click. Okay. So is equal to within the braces. I will use the arrow function. Arrow. Okay. So within the arrow function, I will call the method set count to set the state variable. So I will give the state variable increment of value 1. So previous value count plus 1. So this will increase the value of the state variable by 1. Okay. So count plus 1 is the new value of the state variable. This value is passed to the set count function. Set count function will set the variable count. I will explain again. 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 is passed to set count. Set count will set the value 1 to the state variable count. So when the app is rendered, when the function is rendered, you will get count is 1. Okay. So this is how we handle states. So save the file. Okay, we have already mounted the app.jsx. So save. Let us check this handle state. So here click. Click me. Control S. So you have the button click me. Initial value of count is 0. So when I click this button, so count is incremented by 1. Again click is 1. It takes 1 increment. So when you refresh, again the state variable is 0. Okay. So this is how we handle state in React.js. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.